You're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 17 HOT. A new task has been introduced in the HOT wallet, which every miner or every farmer is expected to do. And once you complete these tasks, you'll be given 17 HOT. This sounds incredible because since we started the mining of HOT, it's over a year now or close to a year, they have not given us a reward that amounts to 17. That sounds very huge. So it is important that all miners or all farmers complete the given task so as to earn the 17 HOT. This task or mission appears to be the most important mission in the HOT. So if you have been neglecting all other missions that has been introduced in the HOT wallet, please make sure that you do not neglect this. Make sure that you complete this. They have made it clear here that it is the most important of all tasks. So probably this may be their criteria for maybe distributing the airdrop. Nobody knows. So from the tag, the caption that they gave this mission, it means that this mission is very important and it appears to be compulsory for every member to complete the mission. That is, if you want to be eligible for the airdrop. Now, what is expected of us to do in this mission? First, we will have to download the HOT wallet extension and we'll move our account there. Okay, and once we do this, we are going to get 10 HOT. Secondly, we are going to make a repost of this particular post that we are seeing here. This is their official X handle. So we're going to retweet this post. Please make sure that you do not cheat. Okay, so just be patient. I'm going to show you the step on how you can complete these tasks. Then the last one here is you are going to get 2 wallets when you sign any transaction in the HOT wallet. All right, now we'll be taking it one after the other. Let us do the first one, which is downloading the HOT wallet extension and then moving our account into the extension. Now go over to Play Store and download the Mises browser. This is it. When trying to download, please you pay attention to the icon here. Now already I have downloaded the app and that is why you see open here. In your own case, you are going to see install. So make sure you download the app, then you install it in your phone. Once you are done downloading and installing your Mises browser, you come over to the HOT wallet Telegram app. Okay, in your Telegram, come over to where you have the HOT wallet. Now you are going to get your recovery phrase, that is the recovery phrase of this particular wallet, and in doing that you come over to this icon here, you click on it on this settings button. Now why we are coming here is for us to get the private key or the recovery phrase with which we are going to import this wallet into the extension. Okay, now once this opens, you come over to where we have the security and apps. Click on it. Then here you'll see seed phrase and private key. Click on it. Then make sure you tick this. Just click on this box to check it. Then go ahead and hit on the continue button. That is this very one. All right, hit on the continue button. Then your private key or your seed phrase will be displayed depending on the one you want. If you want private key, you can go ahead and click on this. If you want the seed phrase, you can come over and click on the seed phrase. All right, now here we have the copy button. Okay, I don't know if you can see it on the screen because I'm recording it. Maybe for security reasons you may not see it, but even if you can see it, I'll screenshot it so that you understand what I am doing. All right, so just go ahead and click on the copy button. All right, now I have copied my seed phrase. All right, it says be careful, never share your seed phrase. Yes, I understand. You go ahead and hit on OK button. All right, now we go over now to the app itself, that is the Telegram. We go back to the Telegram, the homepage of the HOT wallet. Now once you do that, you come over to this section where we have the mission. All right, this is the mission. Then you click on download extension. All right, download extension. So click on it. Then here you are going to see what we have here. It says download extension here. This is a link that will redirect us to Chrome. So I'll go ahead and click on it, download extension. Now this will take me automatically to my Chrome browser. As you can see, this is my Chrome browser, but I do not want to open this via my Chrome. Remember, we downloaded the Mises browser, so we're going to go over to Mises browser now from here. So click on this share icon. All right. Remember, we still have our seed phrase, our recovery phrase copied in the clipboard. Okay. So now here you are going to select Mrs. Browser so as to open it with Mrs. Browser. Then click on it. Now this will bring us to our Mrs. Browser. Now here, as you can see, let me bold it. This is the hot wallet. Okay. Now if I scroll to the right, you are going to see what we call, or what is displayed here, add to Chrome. When we click on this add to Chrome, this hot wallet extension will be installed in our Mrs. Browser in the extension section of it. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. All right, then you give it some seconds. Then it says just go ahead and hit on OK. Okay, just for us to add it, it says add hot wallet. Yes, that's what we actually want to do. Click on OK. Then you wait for some seconds. It is going to install. Okay, so just wait for some seconds for it to install. Once the installation is done, they are going to notify us. The icon here has changed to remove from Chrome. Okay, hold on. So the download is done and it has opened itself automatically. All right, now this is the hot wallet. This is it. So I want to change it to desktop view so that I can see everything. So just come over here and change to desktop view. So you select desktop sites. In your own case, if you can see everything on the screen, there is no problem of doing this. Okay, so now here it is all displayed. All right, so go ahead and click on open wallet, which is this very one. Then you give it some seconds. It is going to load up your wallet. Now this is the hot wallet inside our Mrs. Browser. Here it says welcome to hot wallet. If you want to create a new wallet, you click on create, but there is no need creating because already we have our wallet inside our Telegram, which we have already copied the seed phrase or the private key. Okay, so go ahead and click on import wallet. Now it says here seed phrase or private key, so we are going to click on seed phrase or private key. Click on it. Then here, that recovery phrase that we copied, just come over here, then click on the paste icon. Once you click on the paste icon, you go ahead and hit on the continue icon. So I will do that right now. So once you do that, it will start to import your account. So you just have to exercise patience. Now, as you can see, it has brought this section, okay, showing me all the networks that are inside that wallet. So go ahead and hit on the continue button. All right. Okay, I was thinking it would even take more time. Okay, now it has done importing my wallet. As you can see, my wallet, my Telegram wallet, which is this very one, okay, has now been successfully imported into the Mrs. Browser using the Chrome extension. So guys, what we just did now is importing our wallet into the extension, which is the first task that will give us 10 hot. Now let us go over to our Telegram mini app to see if we did this correctly or not. So I'm going to go over now to the Telegram. Let us see. Just go back. Okay. We are still on the missions section. Then let's click on the download extension again. Let's see. All right, then we have already done this, so no need, just go back. Let's click on claim 10 hot, which is this very one. Okay, let's see if it is going to claim. Just give it some seconds. Let us see. As you can see, the extension setup is, we have here 0, 2, 3. Okay, so maybe they are trying to trying to verify the process, so we'll have to give it just a few seconds. Let's see what we are going to get at the end. So that is that for the first step. Okay, now we are going to go to the second step, which is performing a transaction, that is signing a transaction. So you have to go back to your Mrs. Browser. As you can see, I'm in the Mrs. Browser, no more longer in the Telegram section. Then here, I'm going to hit on, let's see, just click on near because I have near. Okay, so I want to swap my near to another coin here in order to to sign a transaction to earn the point. Then come over to this section where we have the swap. Then I select near again, just click on near. then this will appear where we have near. I want to exchange or swap my near to, I'm going to click here now to select the currency that I will swap to. Okay, this is just, you can select any coin randomly. There is one I have in mind, which is it Black Dragon? Yes, this is Black Dragon. So I always like using this. Click on Black Dragon. All right, then here I'm going to impute the amount. So I want to swap 0.05. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's loading. So just give it a few seconds to load. Why it's loading is actually to know what the amount of Black Dragon that I'm going to get for swapping 0.05 near. As you can see, it is done. So I'll go ahead and hit on the review button. Okay, now here, this is the details of what I'm going to get. In your own case, you can select randomly the coin that you want. So I'll go ahead and hit on the swap button, which is this very one. Let's see if it will go. So it says pending swap. So just give it just few seconds. So whatever process that you do here, that process needs to be verified by the team before you get the allocation for each of the tasks. Okay, so you just have to be patient. Like when we clicked on claim 10 HOTS before now, it didn't click. Maybe they are trying to verify before we can now claim. As you can see, this swap is done after having waited for a few seconds. So just click on the back button. So we have completed the second task now. All right, so we go back and let's click on the mission to see if we can now claim what we have. And as you can see here now, it says claim 5 HOT. All right, because I have successfully signed my first transaction. Remember, I am under the mission section. So I'll click on claim 5 HOT and give it some seconds. As you can see, it says mission completed. So I'll go ahead and click on the continue button. So as you can see, the HOT balance that I have has increased. Okay, so it has been added to my balance. All right, now the last thing that we're going to do is to make a retweet of the last post that they made. So we go over to our X handle now. Now this is their official X handle. So we locate that same post, the one we viewed at the beginning of this video. Now here it says that we need to retweet this post. Okay, it says here make a repost of this post. So what we do now, in order to repost this and to do it correctly, you come over to this section. Okay, just click on the repost icon. Then do not just click on repost. I always like using quotes. Okay, click on quotes. Maybe you can just type anything. Let's say just type anything random. Keep up, let's say keep up the good work. Okay, sorry for making this lengthy. It's just for you to understand better. Then you now go ahead and click on post. It says your post was sent. So I will come over to my my post. This is my post. Okay, then I'll click on this share button here. If you don't know how to get this, just go over to your profile. Okay, this is my profile. All right, so I will scroll through. This is the post that I made just 17 seconds ago. This is it. So I'll click on this icon now to share the post, because they are going to need this link. So I'll click on copy link. Then I'll go to my Telegram. So in your Telegram, using the search button, you can search for the HOT updates. This is their official Telegram handle. Then you can come over to where we have this comment on this post. Okay, just click on it. Then you can drop any random comments. You can just say kudos. Okay, just say kudos, then send it. That's all. Then you go over to your HOT mini app. Then using the search bar, you can search for it. This is mine, so I'll click on HOT wallet. Then here I'm going to paste that link that I copied, that my retweet link, my repost link. So I'll click on it. Now it says Twitter task is over. Go back to extension to check new one. So all the points for all the missions has already been added to my HOT balance. If you take a look here, I have 29.685585 hot balance now. So this means that I have completed all the process and I have been given 17 hot, okay, just as they have promised. If you take a clear look, you discover that when we started this video, I used to have 12 hot in my hot balance, but now it has increased to 29 because the 17 has been added to it. That is the one I gained from completion of these tasks. So it is that simple. Just make sure you follow the steps in this video one after the other, then you complete the process. So if you have any question, please you do well to drop your question in the comment section of this video. If you find this video helpful at all, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, give a like to this video, and I thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.